The DOF selection tool can be used for acquisition, allowing quick and efficient setup. The ability to select any combination of points on the structure allows for versatile analysis. Also, complex graphs and displays can be created with ease. First, select the directions that you want to include, and then select the points by range, by component, or by model selection. Choosing Model Selection allows you to select points on the display. To select multiple points, hold down the Control key. To select a component, right-click a point and choose Select Component. Whatever method you use to select the points, the Exclude page will display a list of the selected DOFs. Putting a check mark next to a DOF will exclude that DOF no matter what changes are made to the DOF selection.